Hi guys, this morning I am planting a Meyer Lemon Tree in this 24 by 24 inch container. It's 21 inches high. It's going to be placed right next to our tool shed in the backyard. If I could, I would have a slew of Meyer Lemon trees, but that's not practical, at least not in my backyard. So I am going to fill about 1 to 2 inches of the bottom of my pot with just a leftover bag of river rock that I have. That's not necessary. I just want to do that for myself to help ensure that I don't overwater it and it gets really good drainage. That it gets really good drainage. I'm going to use Citrus-Tone for the fertilizer, and you need about 2 cups of Citrus-Tone for every 1 cubic foot that I put in here. So I'm not sure exactly how much I'm going to land up using in this pot, because I'm going to leave about a 4.5 inch lip, if you will, from the top of the container. Sorry about that. And I want to make sure that I keep the graft above soil level. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rock in and the soil, and we'll see how much soil I have to put in here before I get the lemon tree in. I just finished filling it with soil, and because I put approximately 2 inches of river rock on the bottom, and I'm leaving about a 4.5 inch, it doesn't look it from here, but about a 4.5 inch lip between the soil and the top of the pot. I am landed up using 3 cubic feet of potting soil. So because of that, I'm going to use about 4 cups of fertilizer. I probably shouldn't have put my gloves on first. Hang on just a second. You want to help me?
Do you need a knife?
It's not wanting to just slice it just a little bit so it shows.
Right here.
Yeah. Make sure you work the fertilizer into the soil. So you can tell that this is not root bound at all whatsoever. So there's no need to rough up any roots before you put it in. So it looks like I have it pretty centered. I'm just going to backfill it. Make sure there's no air pockets. Put a little bit more soil in. I have it all planted in. I think it's going to be happy that it's in a bigger pot and not in the container that they were growing it in. I'm going to move it over to the tool shed where it's going to be placed. It will start receiving sun around 7 to 8 in the morning. They like about 8 hours of sun a day. So by the time it's the hottest time of the day here in Central California for us, which is about 5, 6 o'clock at night, it will have received filtered sun. There's 9 lemons on the tree, so we'll see if it produces any more fruit this year. If not, that's okay. I'm patient. I'll wait. Maybe someday I'll have more than just one Meyer Lemon Tree, but for now, I'm so happy that I have this one. I used Espoma Organic Citrus-Tone for the fertilizer and Recipe 420 for the potting soil. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.